Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add text to your canvas on the IbisPaint X application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's my canvas, and you can find the left side of the screen the toolbar. If you want to add text to your canvas, click to the text button under the vector, click that, click an option, just select a layer, click to the add text button. You can select the size of your font, the style, you can add background, you can edit the spacing and the order. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.